Hello everyone, I want to talk about virtual and augmented reality. What is virtual reality and primary purpose? Virtual reality is a technology that immerses the user in a fully virtual environment through some devices, such as something or controllers. It allows users to interact with the virtual world. Virtual reality can be used for entertainment, education, and business. How does it differ from other immersive technologies? There are three types of technologies. VR completely immerse users in a virtual environment, isolating them from the real world. And AR can add virtual objects to the real world environment, allowing interaction with both. And we can say mixed reality. It can combine VR and AR, enable real and virtual objects to interact in the real world. From the picture, we can see a devices called Cerama, and we can see the title is Two Significant Milestones in VR History. Montanelli invented the Cinerama, often considered one of the first examples of VR. This machine combines visual, auditory, and tactile experiences to immerse users in a simulated environment. It not only shows the potential of VR, but also points the way for the development of subsequent technologies, such as the integrated design of vision, sound, and touch. And also we can see another significant milestone in VR history. We can see a device called Oculus Rift DK1. Paul Maluski launched the Oculus Rift DK1 in 2013. This is the first virtual reality headset to provide a realistic experience at an accessible price, utilize novel technology to increase quality and reduce cost. It marks a transition of VR from the laboratory and high-end field to the average consumer, triggering competition and innovation from other manufacturers, and driving the rapid development of the entire industry. And we can see applications of VR in entertainment. From the picture, we can see gaming. VR games offers an immersive experience where players can interact with virtual world in 360 degrees, and VR games create a virtual world that users can interact with it, allowing users to feel as if they are truly inside the real world. And also, we can see three types of VR displays. From the slide, we can see non-immersive VR and semi-immersive VR and fully immersive VR. Non-immersive VR provides a limited virtual experience, typically accessed through the normal computer screen, keyboard, or mouse. The user interacts with the virtual environment but remains aware of the physical surroundings as the system doesn't fully enclose the user's senses. Semi-immersive VR typically uses a large screen and projectors or VR goggles provide a more engaging experience, but it does not fully immerse the user. Semi-immersive VR often uses motion tracking and 3D visual effects to enhance interactivity, and users can still be aware of their physical environment. Fully immersive VR creates a highly realistic virtual environment where users are completely surrounded by and interact with the VR world. It uses head mounted displays, motion controllers, and sometimes haptic feedback to simulate touch and movements. And we can also see haptic feedback in VR in this slide. Haptic feedback refers to the use of vibration or forces to simulate the sense of touch in a virtual environment, and it enhances the reality of virtual reality experience by allowing users to feel themselves interacting with objects in the virtual world through this haptic feedback via VR gloves, controllers, and clothing. And I think haptic feedback is very important to VR because we can feel better in this thing, and haptic feedback can enhance the experience for us. In this slide, we can see challenges in developing VR applications. We can see high costs. Developing and using VR applications often require expensive hardware such as high-performance VR headsets, controllers, and compatible computers. This limits accessibility for both developers and users such as me. I can't afford these expensive controllers or devices, so I need to buy more cheaper devices to me. And we can see higher standards of responses. Users need more accurate and fast responses in real time, which makes the user's experience better, so that the user does not feel uncomfortable and inauthentic and means unreal. And in this slide, we can see augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that puts virtual objects into the real world in real time, while virtual reality is a technology that immerses users in a virtual world by building a fully virtual world. In this slide, we can see two examples of AR applications in different industries. First, we can say Pokemon Go. Uh, I, u- I used this application uh, last month. Pokemon Go is a mobile game combined with AR technology, where players capture virtual Pokemon dreams in the real world through their phone camera and GPS capabilities. By combining the game with realistic scenes, a new interactive experience is created, where players are able to see and capture Pokemon in reality. Pokemon Go is a game and is also an anime, and I am a big fan of the Pokemon Go. And we often use Google Maps in our daily life. Google Maps uses AR technology to provide users with walking navigation through the camera of the phone. The user can see the virtual navigation route combined with the real road in real time. This helps them find their destination more easily. I often use the function because I often lost my way, so I need this function to help me find the destination easily, and uh, I will use it many times in my daily life. Okay, we can see the slide about challenges and limitations of mobile AR applications. First, we can say device performance. Many people want to use powerful devices, and I want these powerful devices too. The graphics processing capabilities of mobile devices are usually not sufficient to run complex AR applications smoothly. especially for high resolution 3D rendering or real time interaction. Sometimes, if you don't have powerful devices, you can play, the 3A games means mm, excellent games need many people to build these great games. And second, battery life. AR applications typically consume power quickly because they require constant use of resources such as cameras, GPS, and processors. This makes users need to charge frequently and not get the best experience. If you play games and you need to charge frequently, you will feel sad and you don't want uh, this problem. And also we can say range of view. The field of view of mobile AR is usually limited by the screen size of the device and the field of view of the camera. Mobile devices can often only provide a small AR window, which reduces immersion and reduces content. Okay, the next slide. From this slide, we can see applications of VR in entertainment. First, we can say Pico for Ultra. The biggest feature is Ultra HD color perspective, which allows users to see clear, realistic AR scenes through high-resolution cameras and depth perception technology. My roommate has a Pico devices called Pico 2 Neo. Uh, Yesterday, I played the device, and I think this device is very great. Uh, the there are many horrible games in the Pico 2 Neo, and that's really scared me, and I don't want to play the games again. And second, we can say Meta Orient. What is Orient? The focus the focus is light and natural interaction glasses, only 98 grams, very light. It also has 7 cameras and breaks light than can by manipulating by hand gesture and even tiny hand movements. So that's an expensive device and I can't afford it. But this is the most powerful device uh, in today, and I think this will boost the technology uh, of VR in the future. So thanks for everybody to listen my presentation. Thank you.